Blessed are you, Adonai our God, sovereign of all, who gives us life, who sustains us, and who has enabled us to reach sweet and sacred moments such as this. So Eleni and Marc, I want to welcome you to your chuppah, and I want you to notice a few features that it has. It is important to note that the chuppah itself is symbolic of the Jewish home that the two of you have been creating and will, as you step away from this chuppah at the end of the service, in this next chapter will continue to create together.
11,797 days ago, this beautiful little girl came into our lives. Eleni has found an amazing man to spend the rest of her life with. He too is a person who recognizes possibilities and is unafraid to act upon them. Magnificent.
You like it?
Yep, beautiful.
God, you look beautiful.
Do you like?
I do, yeah. You look great. It's amazing.
Me too.
It's so good. Okay. Is this James Bondy enough, or you were looking for?
Marc, why Eleni? Eleni, why Marc? Marc, about your bride, you said, I cherish the life we live together. You bring out the best in me, and I strive to do that for you too. Eleni, you said about your groom, everything I want, you are everything I want in a man. And when I pictured my husband, you were the one who fit that description. I just love you.
Hooray. Atah.
Mekudash.
Mekudash. Li.
B'taba'at.
B'taba'at.
Zo.
So.
With this ring.
With this ring.
As my husband.
As my husband.
In keeping.
In keeping.
The heritage of Moses.
Heritage of Moses in Israel.
B'taba'at.
B'taba'at. Zo. Kedat. With this ring.
As my wife.
As my wife.
In keeping.
And keeping.
With the heritage of Moses in Israel.
With the heritage of Moses.
As we send them off in their life together.
Your trace on my mind.
So when I first met Eleni, it kind of felt like we'd already been in each other's lives for years. It was like, oh, hey there, old buddy. Like immediate sister vibes, immediate really good friend. Watching you both juggle your complex cheese board of a life so eloquently and elegantly, as you both have shown us today. You're fabulous. I love you.
Love is free, coming undone. Free, coming without a warning. Without a warning. Love is real, not just for fun. Real,
We'll share in the joy that life brings, and we'll work through the trials that life will throw at you. You will do it together with maturity, respect for each other, loving as a team. I love you very much, both of you.
Love is free, coming undone, free, coming without a warning, without a warning. Love is real, not just for fun, real, coming without a warning, without a warning.
Mark and Eleni clearly love each other so deeply. You're going to have an incredible life together. I can't wait for many more years of laughter and silliness. This is my public speaking. You're welcome. Let's dance. Cheers, cheers.
Love is free, coming undone.